Disney Living Forever on Tiana's Bayou Adventure. This is our first ride of the day. Got the whole fam today. Hey guys, how you doing? Good to see you. Thanks for joining. We're at Disneyland, Tiana's Bayou Adventure.
Oh my god.
This is Disney Living Forever, broadcasting live. Welcome everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining.
Look at all these beautiful faces. Let's join look from the head and find some musicians.
Thanks for joining everybody. Disney Living Forever on Tiana's Bayou at Disneyland, California. So this is actually our first trip to Disneyland. We're a big Disney World fans, but yeah, this is our first time at Disneyland. It's been good. It's been good. The weather's perfect. It's like 80. It's really good. Oh, sorry, you sit in the office in Germany, JHM2381. Sorry. I'm here for you, though. I'm here for you guys.
You don't? Well, that's all right, Louis. We're just hitting us dry.
But here we are. This is actually our first time on Tiana's Bayou Adventure, so we didn't get to ride it in Disney World. So this is a treat. Hey, how you doing, everybody? Thanks for joining. Here's our first drop.
No.
Oh! Oh! Oh my God! That just happened. Hi, Puerto Rico! ¿Cómo están?
This man she found can play. Hallelujah!
They can play. No doubt. We'll ask them to join the band for sure.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining today. We're on Tiana's Bayou Adventure.
Yeah, you were right. The fire got just what we need.
You can hear all my family screaming in the background.
No.
Here we go! Oh my God! Oh! I just got soaked. I just got completely soaked. I am completely wet, everybody. Sitting in the front was a mistake. We have to now. Bye.
Oh my god.
We're on Tiana's Bayou. Here comes the big drop.
Choo-choo says it's time I get you back to Chicago. But invite your little friends.
I'm going to try to hold on to the camera for the drop. Woo! sure did lose my hat.
We gotta buy you a Disneyland now.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
We're gonna follow behind the truck.
I didn't need that hat anyways.
Wow. Wow, whose idea?
Hey! I got my hat back. Heck yeah. Hey guys. We're on Tiana's Bayou adventure. Just got done with a big drop. I lost my hat, but my sister-in-law found it for me, so way to save it. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thanks for joining. I'll be broadcasting throughout the day. I appreciate you guys. Take care.